Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce an excellent Axure Templates library. This product is mainly used for desktop backend. You can see that it includes a wide range of templates and components. Let's introduce them one by one. First is the login template. It has interactive effects. Then comes the messages. You can use it for the messaging interface of a website. Next is the permissions template. It adopts a 3-column layout. You can select the permissions you want to add on the left side and deselect them on the right side. Then there's the dashboard template. It has a very beautiful style. Next is the schedule template. This interface is in daily view, and of course, there are other view templates. Then comes the flow template. This form-like flow allows you to complete various tasks. After that, there are card style and icon style workspace templates. Then there's the Backend table template. The menu on the left side allows you to select various options. There are also menu bar controls. On the filter template, you can filter the rows of the table and check or uncheck different rows. In the shuffle template, you can select different options on the left and deselect them on the right. Next is the guide template. You can use it as a guide for beginners. So how do you use these templates and components? It's very simple. First, load this widget library, and then drag the template or widget onto the canvas to use it. You can modify the elements within it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.